Okay, so one thing we will discuss before moving to graph, that is accelerating or retarding. So if speed is decreasing with time, we call it retardation. What does it mean? If speed is decreasing with time, we call it retardation. And when it occurs when acceleration is opposite to velocity. When you will have acceleration and velocity in opposite direction, you will have speed decreasing, or that is called retarding. When you have acceleration and velocity in the same direction, then it is called accelerating, and speed of the object is increasing. You can have, suppose for example, I am giving suppose example, if speed is 2 meter per second and acceleration is 4 meter per second square, both are positive, then what will happen? The speed of the particle will increase. Similarly, if velocity is minus 2 meter per second and acceleration is minus 4 meter per second square, both are negative. So if both are in negative direction, it will also increase the speed, but the speed will increase in negative direction. The velocity will be negative, but speed will be increasing. So what we learn from this is, if speed and velocity are along same direction, irrespective of they are positive or negative, if they are in the same direction, the speed will increase. If they are along opposite direction, the speed will decrease. For example, if speed is 2 meter per second and acceleration is minus 3 meter per second square, so minus 3 meter per second square means it will finally try to decrease the speed, so speed will decrease. Similarly, if we take in opposite direction velocity, means negative direction velocity, suppose velocity is minus 2 meter per second square and acceleration is positive, acceleration is 3 meter per second square, in that case also speed will decrease. So what is the conclusion? If the speed and if the velocity and acceleration both are along same direction, the speed increases. If they are along opposite direction, speed decreases. ठीक है, तो इस चीज को भी आप लिख लेंगे. बोलिए, इसमें डाउट है किसी को? इसमें डाउट है किसी को?
नो सर.
ठीक है, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है. ओके, हम लोग फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू अप्लाई द ब्रेक्स, ठीक है, स्पीड डिक्रीजेस.